Guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the sunshade blind in S-Class Mercedes W221. So I disassembled actually the motor of the sunshade, the rear back of the door, of the right door. The sunshade was not working until I removed this cap carefully, and then I removed this from inside. We can see now the damage from the rubber sticks, they are damaged. So today I'm going to use a silicone and keep them like this exactly, and reassembled again the part. Think this will work finally, and I will show you the result. Now we will try to fix those broken parts, and I will put some super glue under each one so it will make sure that it will not come off or move away. Let's do that. Now we glued all the three rubbers very well, and we will leave it now until it will cool down. Then we will reassemble the motor after that.